Hey, it's Jeremy Schulten from Pacifica Properties Group, and I'm very excited to introduce to you 856 9th Street. It's located in the prestigious Manhattan Beach Hill section. I think the best way to describe this home is elegance at the beach. Now we have 4,300 square feet, 4 bedrooms, plus an office. It's got a nice south-facing backyard. It's got amazing city and mountain views. So come on, let's take a look. Let's talk about this home as far as entertaining goes. Starting with the breakfast nook coming off of the top balcony. It's got an amazing amount of natural light. Kitchen's awesome. It's got new cabinets, new countertops, very classy, very elegant, very functional. And then we're walking over here to the family room. It's big, it's open. As you can see, we've got these great French doors that just let the breeze and light in. To add to the abundance of outdoor space that this house has, we've got this killer courtyard here. You can have outdoor dining, you can hang out and relax in the evening, have a glass of wine. Across the way here, we have the formal dining room, which is great. They do a lot of dinner parties, and it's been very useful for them. And who says Manhattan Beach is all about the ocean? We've got great views here of downtown Los Angeles, the San Gabriel Mountains, SoFi Stadium, the Hollywood sign. And then finish off the top floor, we've got this great office. It's huge, and it's got great views, and it's got everything you need. I'm really excited about this backyard. I mean, when you're looking for outdoor space, what you want are several things. You want the size. You want enough space where you can do what you want to do. This one has it. You want light. We have a south-facing backyard, which gives you plenty of light. And then, of course, the layout of the backyard. How's it function for you? This is a great place for entertaining. You've got this elevated patio that opens off the kitchen. And then, of course, up here is the grassy, elevated pool area. You can have a big yard. You can have play sets. You can do all kinds of stuff up here. Thanks for joining me on the video walking tour of 856 9th Street. You got to see it in person. It's an amazing home. Stop on by, give me a call. We'll set up a private showing and have a great day.